welcome back to
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Holy moly!
Hey guys! Welcome back to Crafty Friday!
So today we are going to be doing
Lava lamps!
lamps.
And I'm so excited because lava lamps are fun, and not only are they fun, they're fun to make. So
Yes,
let's get on to it. Okay,
video.
so the first thing is you have to have a cup of water. We each have our own cup of water. You're going to need
A bottle.
any kind of bottle where you can put the water in so that you can have the lava lamp in this bottle. So
Oh,
we are
wait.
using
Wait.
a water bottle.
Wait.
An old water bottle. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is pick a color. So
I'm gonna do.
we have
red.
some food coloring. Amelie is going to do red. So I can get this open.
Because red is actually a really good
Color
color
for a lava
for a
lamp.
lava lamp.
And I think I'm going to do blue.
Okay,
Okay, so you want to do a couple drops.
in the
because
water.
Then it's just not going to turn very good if you do too many drops. So I'm going to do 3.
I'm just gonna do 4.
Okay. Okay, so are we supposed to?
Okay, I
to
think
mix
we're
it.
supposed to mix it. Where's our spoons?
We are going
Then-
to pour some of this vegetable oil, and it's 3/4 of a bottle.
Oh my
So
gosh.
we're not going to fill it all the way to the top because then the lava lamp won't work. So you're going to take a funnel, or if you have something else, just pour it into the bottle. And you're going to
Maybe
fill
me.
it like about here.
Keep in mind.
Yes.
I don't know
Can
what
you hold my cup so it doesn't?
Okay. Ooh. Ew. We've actually never made a lava lamp before, so
Oh, we have
it's gonna be very crazy.
going all the way up. Oh, maybe we don't have enough olive oil for both of us. Or vegetable oil. So make sure to do a little at a time because it will get everywhere.
It will. It almost got my hand.
Ah.
It's very sticky for some reason.
Okay, so you're gonna fill it like about there.
Oh, look at all those bubbles! They're going up!
Oh my.
It already looks like a lava lamp.
Are they supposed to go down or? No, I'm getting that mixed up.
Okay.
So now we are going to pour
Pour
in
in
our
the
water.
water.
So you don't want to fill it all the way to the top, so you may not use all of the
Oh my gosh, guys.
water. But because you want to leave about like, a bunch of space, go ahead. That's good.
Okay.
So it looks like it's forming, but there's
It
also one
does.
step after this.
Oh, I almost used the whole thing. That's good.
I think you
Now
did
we
use
didn't
all of
even
it.
waste it. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Avery, yours, it looks so cool.
Whoa.
Mom.
Amelie's looks like lava.
It does.
Let me see.
Yours looks like, no, fire and lava. I meant fire and water.
Fire and lava. Lava's not blue. You are going to take this,
Pack.
no, there's 2 in one pack.
Oh, so we just need
So-
one.
You just need 1 pack, and it's called Alka-Seltzer. And it's like these little
Drops.
minerals that you have to crush up and put in here, and one at a time because then you go fizz up. So like super quickly, and it won't turn into a lava.
Ooh, they're huge.
So, whew, I'm a
Look at how
little
huge
scared.
they are. Should use the other one of mine.
It's like almost Mentos or something.
Can I eat it?
No. What? No. I don't think it's edible.
Okay, so do we just smash it?
Okay, so I'm like really scared right now, but
Oh,
if I
snap. Oh, it's easy to snap. So do I just snap it in 4 pieces or something?
yeah, just one piece at a time.
I
Ooh,
know.
I think I put mine into little pieces on accident.
This is mine. Okay, so I'm gonna drop in this one first.
Okay, so as you can see, it's fizzing up a little bit, and I think I
Mine
need a little
isn't.
bit more to fizz more. I don't know if I've ever seen this in lava.
I'm so scared that it's gonna come up. Do I wait about like 2 seconds?
Ooh. And it's all sinking to the bottom. So I think that's what's, as you can see, it's going faster up, and I think that's what the fizzing does.
I'm so
on hers.
scared.
Really cool.
I know.
Okay, so this is what makes it go up by itself. That's okay. I was wondering why you needed this.
Thank you guys for watching this video. We had so much fun making this lava lamp. Maybe
Yeah.
you guys could do it.
Yeah, and it was really fun and easy. Bye!
Bye.
Thank you for watching, and please come back next time to see more of our videos.